This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below. This video sponsored by Interplay Learning. Simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures. Beginning to advanced courses available. A fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time discount. Link and promo code in description below. Good morning, guys. It is April 24, 2019. Today I got a call from a guy. I've worked at his house before. Worked on his AC last year. I think I changed a couple of capacitors over there or something. He's got like a colonial house with a system in the base, a system on the first floor, system on the second. And he's calling me, he says the AC's not working. And they just put some solar panels in over there. And ever since then, he seems to think that the AC's not working after they did that. So it's going to be like 66 here today, not crazy hot. But I can go over there and see if the system's running, you know, see if it's, I checked the charge last year, there wasn't a leak. Actually, I think I took some refrigerant out of the system last year. So, usually it's a capacitor issue over here, capacitor's low. But he seems to think it's an electrical problem since they put in the solar panel stuff. So, it might be interesting, we'll see. Me and Miss Molly are working again, y'all. What you got on for a sweater today? Looking very stylish. You got all the sweaters. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. See what's going on with it. Like I said, it's probably only about 60 degrees now, so I can start it up and check it. I mean, see if the compressor's running, stuff like that. Probably not an electrical problem. Could be anything. Who knows? So you got a ball valve here, and then it goes up to a relief valve. You didn't do this?
No.
Oh, that's weird. So I'm gonna have to take this handle off of here.
The blue tape. I'm trying to think who did the...
You can't have that. So, who's been over here working? Obviously, the guy didn't. He's got a couple of these that are, they're both open. So you're gonna run, that's gonna run heat all the time.
Right.
Yeah, wow, that's hot. See how hot them are?
I know.
And then that one's restored. So that right there is the storage tank. So you got first and second floor.
Yep.
But both were open.
And this is first.
That's first.
And this is second.
Alright, so why don't we go run the first floor. I want to see if it turns the boiler on. And we'll see if it's operating properly. And then we'll shut that off and we'll check second floor.
You want heat or AC?
Just heat on first floor, turn it up, and we'll check that one first. The weirdest thing I've ever seen. Put a ball valve here, and it comes up to a relief valve. Weird. Take that handle off. That's probably what his problem was. Unbelievable. Fucking shit I see. I'll take this flipping handle off of here so we can't shut it. Right. That's probably all your problem was that somebody probably come here to purge the air out.
Yep.
And open those and never shut it. So I just taken that handle off of there so you can't shut this off.
All right.
So what's going to happen is the heat's going to override the cooling if that coil's hot. So that might be what the issue is.
Okay.
Alright, so there goes first floor.
Yep.
Alright, so that one's working okay.
All right.
As long as it fires the boiler, we're probably off on high limit. Yeah. Yeah, so we're off on limit. Alright, we could turn that one down, and let's turn up the second floor and check that one. So the zone valves takes 90 seconds to engage, so that's first. We know that one's working. So you're going to turn the first floor down and then turn the second floor up so we can make sure them zone heads are working. Crazy. Chimney doctor. 119, so he was here recently. Maybe this is the guy that did it. Chimney doctor.
And he was just here.
119.
Yeah.
January of 19 of this year. So he did a combustion test that he, okay, so that's it, that's working. I don't know why them two were pulled down.
I don't know.
All right, so let's go turn that off.
All right.
And what we're gonna do is we'll turn up the AC and we'll check that.
Up or down?
All right, so what we're gonna do is go to the second floor, turn the heat off,
Yep.
and then turn that air conditioning on the second floor and turn it down for it to run, and we'll check the AC outside. And the first floor's off too, right?
I'm gonna shut this off.
That's probably all it was. Look at all that stuff, holy cow. Let them run for a minute. checked these last year, so I know that they're okay to charge. No, I don't think they're both putting off nice heat here, and they're both getting nice and cold here. So, like I said, I was just here last year checking on these. They were fine. I think it was just the zone valves were open.
That must have been the chimney guy. I don't know.
So that's it. That should take care of your issue. I just left that job. I had to take that ball valve, the handle off that ball valve for that relief valve. I don't know who did that. That wasn't me. And somebody left the zone valves on bypass. So that's what the problem was. We ran the AC. I was able to just, touch and feel and make sure that they were working fine. I mean, I was there last year, and I had actually I had to take some Freon out of one of the units, so I'm familiar with the job. I didn't have to put my gauges on there. I could tell we run it for 5-10 minutes. You can tell if it's working properly or not. The heat will always override the cooling if you got like a first company unit like that. It's got heat going to it, so we should be fine. I've worked for that guy before a couple of times. He's a cool guy, he's a cool dude. But anyway, that's the story. The easy fix. That was a quickie. That was a quickie, Molly. Anyway, nice day today. I mean, it's going to be like 66 high today. I got some AC calls starting to come in now, so be switching over to AC real quick here. Still a little bit cool to be working on them right yet.